As a business owner, you know that Facebook is a powerful affiliate marketing tool. With over 2 billion active users, it's a platform you can't afford to ignore. But with so many businesses advertising on Facebook, how can you create an affiliate marketing campaign that will stand out from the rest and actually work? I want to talk to you about that, but before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description below this video and you can check it out. Now here are some tips to create a Facebook affiliate marketing campaign that actually works. #1 is to define your objective. Before you even start affiliate marketing on Facebook, you need to know what your goal is. Are you trying to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, make sales? Well, once you know your objective, you can create ads and posts that are specifically designed to achieve it. #2 is to know your target audience. Who is your target audience and what do they want? What are their interests? What are their pain points? Knowing this information will help you to create an ad or a post that resonates with them and gets them to take action. Use Facebook's targeting options to ensure that your ad or your post is being seen by the right people. #3 is to create compelling copy. The copy in your ad or your post should be clear, concise, and persuasive. It should grab the attention and make people want to learn more about what you have to offer. Use strong call to actions called CTAs that encourage people to take the next step, whether that's clicking through to your website or taking advantage of a special offer. #4 is use visual elements. A well-designed ad or post with compelling visuals will capture attention and stop scrollers in their tracks. Humans are visual creatures, so make sure your ad includes an eye-catching image or video along with impactful copy. And #5, test different versions of your ad or your post. Don't just create one version of your ad or post and leave it at that. Test different versions of the same ad, known as A/B testing, to see which one performs best. Try different images, different videos, headlines, descriptions, call to actions, mix it up. Then run each version for a few days before analyzing the results and choosing the winner. Rinse and repeat until you have an optimized ad or post that consistently performs well. Now keep in mind that testing takes time, so be patient while waiting for results. Keep your ads fresh by running multiple versions of ads and posts at once, and that helps keep things fresh for both potential and current customers. No one wants to see the same thing over and over again, so switch things up every now and then to new products or services or special offers, announcements. Just keep them in your rotation. Just don't make too many changes at once. Too much change can be confusing, so stick with small tweaks until you find what works best for your business. Just like any other marketing campaign, running an effective Facebook affiliate marketing campaign takes time, effort, and experimentation. But if done correctly, it can be very powerful and very successful. Now, if you want to learn how to do this and do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time 6-figure income online, then check out the link in my description for my #1 recommendation for getting into and succeeding in affiliate marketing. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing, the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link in the description below this video. No pressure, it's up to you. Take care.